Oh, say good night, Tatay. Properly.
Good night, Tatay.
I'll be sending out some Thanksgiving cards at the corners. Nice stickers. Here are some of the cards. I'm not yet done though. And look at the fancy Thanksgiving stickers. Happy Thanksgiving. Look who's beside me. Mario.
Mario.
Ay, pareho na kaming hindi makatulog. We can't sleep.
We can't sleep.
Yeah, say good morning, Tatay.
Good morning, Tatay. No. I see mine.
Oh, there, yeah.
I see my hand. Then I do like this.
Thanksgiving to you. Skip to my lumadan. Skip to my lumadan.
Skip.
Skibidi toilet.
Hey!
Oh.
No!
No, it's not that.
No!
Oh, I thought it was
Skip
skibidi
to my
toilet.
my darling. Walang card.
Skip.
One card, especially for you. You see, there's just one for you talaga. Baby, bye. See you later.
Wait lang anak.
Oh. $5? Timing.
Right. We just walked out. Yeah, I didn't see you guys. We're here.
Wow. You didn't hear him yelling? You know, tablet.
Mo.
Have the other tablet.
You got another one?
I'm giving out some thank you cards and some goodies to my nurses and medical assistants at the center. So it's Thanksgiving and it's time to thank them for all the help and assistance they've given me and the care. This time we're going to the clinic, but not for a treatment, but to give our Thanksgiving presents and cards to our very good nurses, doctors, and assistants. Natin maglengua para maiba. Wow, beef lengua.
Ito na lang ang kakainin kong lengua kasi
Hindi ka makakain
hindi
ng
ako
ibang-
makakain ng lengua. Dito na lang ako. At sigurado.
Nangangarap mag-workout. Sige nga.
Parang sakit sa ano? Sakit
Sa puwet?
Oo, sakit to.
Wala, hindi
makakonek.
Bibilin mo pa sana.
Baw.
Pero ayaw naman.
Yeah.
Plus 200 lang siya.
Huh.
Peloton.
Sorry ka.
Sorry ka na lang. Hindi ka nagpasiklab eh, no?
Yeah.
Kaya hindi ka napipila dyan sa mahaba. Kasi iba talaga pag whole.
Hindi sa ano to eh. Kung ano yung available na ano,
Yeah.
kunin mo na sabi mo.
Tigas mo, tinatala na mo. Yan, for Thanksgiving. Ito ng pinaka-Christmas decor dito.
Of course.
Ang Baduy. Sa Pilipinas, ang ganda-ganda. Dito, yan lang siya. So, after Costco, kakain lang muna sa Suruki ng Japanese ulit. Christmas yan. Yan na, Kabaduyan.
2,000.
Kakapindot. Nag-2,000 kang tip, ha? Wow! Akin na lang. Ako na lang magsilbi sa'yo. Uli tayo today. Nawili na naman ako. Bake naman yan, baked.
Yeah.
Stamina right here.
Stamina. Thank you. Stamina. Ba't ka nagsa-stamina ramen?
Parang lumakas ang stamina.
Kain tayo. Yan lang, pinakamami mo. Sige. Sarap ba? Mainit. Kain tayo.
Kapitbahay baka ako. Wala kang kapitbahay doon.
Kaya nga, gusto ko yun.
Bundok lang. Ano ba?
Yung sa akin, ikaw ang dami mong tira. Paano ka magkakastamina kung ganyan kang magtira? Oh, ang dami, oh.
Kaya nakalahati na nga.
Ay,
Marami
sus,
rin eh.
kulang pang stamina. Sabaw nga ako
nara-
para mag-stamina rin ako.
Kasi parang nararamdaman ko, parang stamina na ako. Kaya tinigil ko na. So, parang na.
Daming tinira, oh. Ay. Christmas dito. Yan, lakad-lakad muna. Yan nga sabi ko sa'yo eh. Yung baw-baw.
May rice pa lang ito.
Tapos punta lang muna sa DSW para mag-check ng chinelas. Hanap ng malambot na slippers. The glamorous. Ayan o, nakasilo. Oh, lambot. Nice color. Yan o. So, sobrang lambot. Ganda. Pero excluded siya from any promotions. Magaan.
Anatomic.
Kanto daw.
Uy.
Wow.
Uy, nice.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yan na ang Thanksgiving gift ko sa'yo.
Where's this? Anggahan.
So yan, 8 pala.
Pusos.
You see my socks? Yun.
Yan.
Ayun, sakto. Meron pa naman akong tsinelas doon pero masarap to. Sapa. Malambot to.
Malambot na.
I'll get myself this too. Ganda. Ito, Mr. V. Para tumangkad ako.
Oh my God.
Yung tinignan natin noon, walang size. Ngayon, pagbalik natin, meron na yung size ko.
Good
So,
brand.
I'm gonna get it.
Bandolino.
Yeah.
Nice.
Para pag nasa bahay ako, yan ang isuot ko. Kasi hindi mo na ako lumalabas eh.
Of course. Habang nag-o-opisina sa bahay.
Let's go. Nasa iyo naman ang bag ko eh. Sige, let's go na. Oh, yan lang. Happy Thanksgiving ka sa'yo.
Thank you, bakit?
You're welcome. Pogi mo naman. Dagdagan pa natin. Bili pa tayo ulit. Oh.
Joke.
Ayan yung kanyang bag. Well, see your bag. Oh, 2 tsinelas. Isang sapatos ko. Tsinelas yung sa'yo.
Mean a lot. This mean a lot. Thank you, family. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, brother. You know what I'm saying? Love you, brother.
Yes,
Oh,
of
God
course.
damn.
That's Kylo, another brother.
So,
Okay. Yeah, and now including me.
yes. Of course.
Yeah. Let's.
Oh my God, bro! I got a cake. It's so damn long.
Are you
Thank you, brother. You know, so nigga, you know, all love, bro.
Okay.
Oh
There.
my
Okay, make a
God.
wish. Let's sing first. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Yes. Happy
Oh my God, bro! Thank
birthday.
you, brother. I appreciate it so much, bro. Thank you, bro.
Okay.
Thank you, bro. Oh, bro. saying? Nigga, it's all love, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. I gotta get a hug. I appreciate it a lot.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Get some
Am I
pizza.
dreaming?
Oh, I gotta get me some pizza too.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh God, thank you so much. This is, I appreciate it. Nice to see another year. You know what I'm saying?
Kira, CJ.
A lot of people don't like to see. A lot of people don't see 21, bro.
That's your cake for Dondi.
Okay, I'm gonna cut you a piece, bro.
Yeah.
Come on, brother. How much you want? How much you want, brothers? Let me know.
Just give me a little bit.
Right here.
That's this one.
That's small.
Right here.
Let's give him all.
Yeah.
3 of them.
There you go, brother. Brother, just nigga, you gon' brother. Come on. Go ahead, bro. You gonna do your thing with that, brother.
I'll prepare mashed potatoes for the steak tonight. Here's our steak, so we will cut it according to our preference. Unlike before, we get the sliced and prepared one. Now we will do it ourselves because Mr. V wants it thick, I want it thin, so depende na sa amin yan. So this is for tonight's steak, and we also got some ham. I don't know what Mr. V would like to do with these shrimps, but I'll also make some spaghetti with meatballs. And, I need more, and we need to go to Walmart in a while. Malambot na, asok-asok. Mr. V naman. Parang sa'yo yan ah. Makapal eh.
Hindi. Ganito po sukat. Manipis na to.
Hindi, makapal yan.
Ano?
Makapal yan.
Paano ba yan?
Makapal yan.
Okay.
Para sa'yo lang yun, yung makapal. Yan, ganyan. Sakto yan.
Gusto ng ano? Gusto ng well done.
Sakto yan.
Iwagin natin yan. Yeah.
Bakit naman? Eh, ganyan na yung susunod lahat. Ganyan na. Art. Tumatalimsik na naman yung mga daliri mo, ha? Lumalabas. Okay. Wow. With the ngapil. Kumakapal.
Kumakapal.
Pakapal lang pakapal, ha?
Hindi
Ish.
manipis na dat. Ito akin yan. Si Uncle, alam po.
O yan din, yung isa. O yan lang.
Ganito rin ang gusto ng Uncle.
Hindi, yan lang. Sakto na yan. Mas makakamura. 81 yan. O, lahat. Pag bibili ka ng tagtatlo sa Walmart, 20.
Yeah.
Mas mura na yan. Sobrang kapal naman. Hindi na maluluto yung loob niyan. Yun, the last. Yan na, ganyan.
Why not, right?
Yeah, why not? Sikat.
Kung gusto yung large.
Okay.
Alam na.
Alam na. Takpan.
Oh.
Binabad mo sa
Sprite.
Sprite. Okay. Madadali ang ating preparasyon ngayon. Christmas daw. Skyflakes. Christmas tree. Oh, walang nakapark. Grabe, first time. Dito sa Walmart. Open ka ba, Walmart?
Ito ba?
Palang Walmart. 68 ang napuntahan. Anong napano tayo, Mr. B?
Nabudol tayo.
Napamahal.
Napamahal tayo. Budol ito eh. 168.
Walang gravy, baka meron, hindi lang nila alam. Feeling ko meron. Kahit yung powdered.
168. Tingnan mo, baby.
Tingnan ko na lang dito.
Yan, dito.
Lang turkey. Oh, there. I need this, yeah. Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. We're still cooking. Happy Thanksgiving. Patukin mo na, Miss. The first one done. Spaghetti preparing. Ay, ng aso. Laki ng turkey ni CJ. Potatoes. Yung sauce ng sturdy. Shot, shot, shot. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. 4 minutes, man.
And we'll give wine to Uncle. And Thanksgiving wine natin. Shot din tayo ah. Eh, magdadrive ka naman. Sarap mo. Happy Thanksgiving.
Lighter.
Happy Thanksgiving po. Enjoy your steak.
Thank you.
There. And your mashed potatoes. We have here veggies. Sarap daw heart Thanksgiving. Enjoy the steak. Kain-kain. Nandun pa si si Mr. V. Luto po. Hindi namin na plano ng maayos. Turkey. Mr. V, nagluluto ng steak. Bahala na silang CJ, kayo na bahala magkuhan dito. O, ito yung sa amin. Jay, ito, bahala na kayo dyan. Sige. Steak with red wine. Red. Kadami naman.
Kadami?
Ubusin natin yan. Siyempre, Thanksgiving nga eh.
Kadami naman daw.
Oo. Ay, kadami manggid. Cheers, Cheryl. Happy Thanksgiving. Cheers. Kids. Happy Thanksgiving. Cheers. Cheers. Yeah. Bunsoy.
Kumusta naman yung birthday niya? Ni Auntie Josie.
Cheers.
Hindi lang
Hey, Mr. B.
Wala.
Sarap.
Maganda lang yung
CJ, good job. Your turkey's good.
Good.
First time niya nag-bake.
Malasa.
Sarap
Good,
daw ng
good.
turkey mo.
Yeah.
Akin na.
Yay!
I'll give you a cup.
Gano'n.
Sarap.
Oh,
Sarap dito?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.
yan, galing. Oh.
Sinabi ko na masarap. Sarap.
Siyempre, seasoning niya.
We have
Kayo,
something for you. Happy
Happy
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
They're open na. Apat yan. That's okay.
Ayan, sa inyo.
Yan. Happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy your hot choco. Of $20. Yay! Galing mag-guess Congrats!
2,000? Sabi niya?
Oo, 2,000. You see? Thanksgiving dessert kasi hindi na ako nakagawa ng salad. Japanese style. Japanese na naman. Green tea mochi. After the party, we need stress-free tea. Yung niluto kanina, ba't ka ngayon naka-jack in the box? Happy Thanksgiving!
Dinali lahat eh.
Anong papanoorin natin?
Hello, never again.
Umagang-umaga, ginagawa na lang ang bakante na seat sa Hello, Love Again. Ayan. Tira sa steak at saka yung broccoli kagabi. Very good.